Are you looking for views, subscribers, or watch hour? These settings might be the one that is hindering you. So I need you right now to go to the YouTube studio and turn these settings off that I'll be showing you in this video. If you're new here, hello, thank you for clicking to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a huge thumbs up, and help me to share. Most people, after creating a YouTube channel, they either forget or they don't know that they are supposed to turn off these settings. So this is why I am creating this video for you, because initially, even me, I don't know about this, because when I started my YouTube channel, this one and also my other YouTube channel, I didn't really know about this. I have to go search on YouTube, search this and that of how to create a YouTube channel, how I am going to like after creating the YouTube channel, what I am going to be doing, what I am going to place, which are the settings I am going to turn off and turn on. I needed to start doing this for myself, but right now I am making this video for you, okay, on a platter of gold, so that you don't have to suffer the same thing that I suffered back then. Okay, that is why I am making this video for you right now. So there are two settings that you really need to turn off. If you not do them, you're going to be behind. These settings might be the one hindering you from getting views, getting subscribers, getting watch hour. This is why you need to turn them off right now. The first one is turning off the setting that hinders you from getting views. Why? The second one is setting your channel the right way so that you can start getting views, getting subscribers, and get your watch hour, which you actually if you're watching up to this point and you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to click that subscription button. Click it, put it into all, so that when I upload new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and also help me to share for more wider audience to see this video, because I know this video, for you to watch up to this point, this video, you might have found something useful, something helpful, something valuable. That is why you've watched up to this point. Okay, so the first one is that you're going to see when we actually go to the YouTube studio is your channel trailer. Like I said before, when I started initially, YouTube used to send me message like, create your channel trailer, and whenever I see that message, I'll be like, which one is channel trailer again now? You know, when you're new, there are some things that you really don't know. So I'll be like, which one is channel trailer? So it keeps sending that message often and often that I could not bear it any longer. I decided to go to the YouTube search, okay, and I wrote channel trailer, and I saw a channel trailer that came, and I learned what to do and what not to do, and I had to go fix that in the in my YouTube studio. So that is why I'm making this video for you. And recently I also bumped into a lot of Nigerian small content creators that are really doing great things, okay, and they also shared more highlight on this. So you might be a big YouTuber there and you might not know these things, okay, or you are a small YouTuber, a growing YouTuber, you still don't know these things. This video is for you. It's going to show you how you can fix this your channel trailer, and also the second one is your for you, how you're going to arrange this for you page, so that you can start getting views, subscribers that you actually desire. So for you to do this, okay, you can only do this from your YouTube studio from the desktop version. I have a video where I showed you how you can upload your YouTube videos the right way, and if you've not seen that video, I'll leave it in the description box. I'll also leave the cards here so that you can go check on that video, so that you can know how to upload the right way for you to get views. So right now I'm going to be taking you to the YouTube studio where I show you how you can turn off these settings for you to start getting views and get suggested, get recommended by YouTube, and get more views and subscribers, and also the watch hour. You guys are seeing my YouTube studio like so. So when you're in your YouTube studio, what you want to do is, let me enlarge this thing, let me widen it so that you can see properly. So when you are here, you are going to click on this customize, okay, you click on that and you wait for it to download. So this is where you're going to do all the job. So what you want to do is, you're going to, this is the first one, okay, like you're going to click on the second one. All right, after clicking on the second one, you wait for it to come up. It is up already. So this is it, okay. Yeah, this is your channel trailer. So this is the part where you are going to put your you're going to do turn off and turn on. So this button here that you are seeing, if you see it like so, all right, what you want to do is you click it, okay, for you to turn it off. All right, you turn it off. Okay, you can see it is off like this. It is off. Okay, remember we have clicked it, so it is off. And what you want to do is you want to click publish. Make sure to always click that. Okay, publish it. All right, now that you have done that, it's going to be like so. Make sure to always tick it again. So now, yeah, now that we are here, you can click on this plus sign. All right, because I have already done mine, that is why it is like so. Here you can turn on your live stream. Okay, you can also change your playlist and all that here. All right, so now guys, let's go straight to the second one, which is the for you. All right, this is the for you. What you're seeing here is the for you. It is written here. Okay, so now what you want to do is you click on settings. Okay, when you click on these settings, so this is going to come. You're going to see these things you're seeing here. All right, let me wide it for you guys to see properly. Now you're going to see video, short, live stream. If you've not turned them on, you're going to turn all of them on like so. And when you turn them on, don't always forget to click on done. Now it's saying, because I already did mine, that is why it's like that. Okay, so because I already did mine is like that. So right now, this is where we are going to. You have your recent videos. It says recent videos. Okay, you also have your videos for that is your recent content and all content. Okay, the first one is all content and the second one is your recent content. So if you are just starting new and you don't have plenty videos, don't have much video, what you are going to click is you're going to click this one, which is this one here. You're not going to click this one, which is all content. You click your recent content so that YouTube will start recommending your recent content, because you don't have much content, so that you can start having watch hour. But if you have plenty videos, enough videos, and you're doing different things in your channel and your videos are all updated, you click on this one, your all videos. Okay, so like I said before, you can click this one. If you are just starting and you need watch hour, you click on your recent videos, so YouTube will recommend your recent videos. So if you are a OG, you click on your all videos. Okay, so you can start getting views. All right, don't forget to always click on done. Okay, which is this one. All right, you click on done, and this is how you're going to see your channel. It will be well arranged like so. Your recent videos will be up and your popular videos will be here. Okay, this is how your channel will now be well arranged, so you can start getting views. Always don't forget to click on publish. Okay, make sure to always click on publish so that it will publish everything you have just finished doing. All right, so this is so it. Guys, if these settings are well set in your channel, you will start getting views. Your channel will start getting the views, the subscribers, and you start getting the watch hour, and you get monetized, and you start making and earning more money on YouTube. So if you watch up to this point, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you've not done so already. Give the video a huge thumbs up. Help me to share. I'll see you in my next one, in my next video. Do well to watch the videos I will leave here and also in the description box. See you in the next one. Bye. Ciao.